In the intricate tapestry of mathematical history, Pythagoras emerges as a luminous thread, weaving together mathematical brilliance and mystical philosophy. Born in ancient Greece around 570 BCE, Pythagoras not only etched his name into the annals of mathematics, but also left an indelible mark on the trajectories of philosophy and scientific thought. This exploration delves into the life, accomplishments, and lasting legacy of Pythagoras, unraveling the intricacies of his mathematical contributions, philosophical principles, and the profound impact he wielded on subsequent generations of scholars. Hailing from the island of Samos in the eastern Greek archipelago, Pythagoras's early life remains shrouded in myth and legend. Sparse historical records, often muddled by the passage of time, hint at a familial connection to gem engraving. Yet, from his formative years, Pythagoras displayed a remarkable aptitude for mathematics. Driven by an insatiable thirst for understanding, he embarked on a journey that led him to the ancient bastions of knowledge in Egypt and Mesopotamia. During his peripatetic sojourn, Pythagoras imbibed the teachings of various mentors, assimilating the mathematical and philosophical traditions of diverse cultures. This eclectic education laid the groundwork for the synthesis of ideas that would come to characterize his later work. Legends tell of his extensive studies in Egypt, particularly in geometry and number theory, shaping the contours of his own mathematical theories. Pythagoras's enduring legacy rests prominently on the Pythagorean theorem, a fundamental proposition in geometry. This theorem articulates that in a right-angled triangle, the square of the hypotenuse's length equals the sum of the squares of the lengths of the other two sides. Symbolically expressed as sec2 a2 plus b squared, where c is the hypotenuse, a and b are the other two sides, this theorem finds myriad practical applications, from architecture to physics. Its elegance and simplicity render it indispensable in fields such as navigation, engineering, and surveying. Delving further into the realm of numbers, Pythagoras explored sets of three positive integers known as Pythagorean triplets. These triplets, exemplified by the famous 3, 4, 5, where 3 circumflex 2 plus 4 circumflex 2 equals sine 5 circumflex 2, adhere to the Pythagorean theorem. The study of these triplets not only fascinated mathematicians but also contributed significantly to the development of number theory. Pythagoras forged connections between mathematics and music, introducing the concept of the harmony of the spheres. Observing that ratios of string lengths on musical instruments produced harmonious sounds, he pioneered Pythagorean tuning, a musical tuning system grounded in simple mathematical ratios. Pythagoras transcended his role as a mathematician to become the founder of a profound philosophical and religious movement, Pythagoreanism. At its core was the belief in the intrinsic connection between mathematics and the natural order of the cosmos. The Pythagoreans perceived numerical relationships as the key to unraveling the fundamental structure of reality. Intricately woven into Pythagorean philosophy was the concept of metempsychosis, or the transmigration of souls. Pythagoras and his adherents subscribed to the notion of the soul's reincarnation, emphasizing a continuous cycle of rebirth. Pythagoras imparted ethical teachings, urging his followers to pursue virtue and cultivate a harmonious life. The Pythagorean way of life extended beyond intellectual pursuits, encompassing ethical and spiritual development. This holistic approach contributed to the enduring influence of Pythagoreanism on later philosophical traditions. Pythagoras's ideas permeated the intellectual landscapes of ancient Greece and beyond, casting a lasting imprint on subsequent generations of scholars. The impact of Pythagoras resonated notably with two towering figures of ancient philosophy, Plato and Aristotle. Plato, in his Timaeus, incorporated Pythagorean ideas concerning the mathematical structure of the cosmos. Aristotle, while critiquing certain aspects of Pythagoreanism, acknowledged its pervasive influence on Greek thought. The Pythagorean theorem and its associated mathematical concepts laid foundational stones in the edifice of Greek mathematics. Euclid, in his magnum opus Elements, extensively employed the Pythagorean theorem, building upon Pythagorean principles in his geometrical treatise. The Renaissance witnessed a rekindling of interest in classical knowledge, leading to a resurgence of Pythagorean ideas. Scholars like Johannes Kepler and Nicolaus Copernicus found inspiration in Pythagorean notions of cosmic harmony, contributing to the scientific revolution that reshaped humanity's understanding of the cosmos. In the twilight of his life, Pythagoras is believed to have embarked on a journey to India, where he continued his intellectual pursuits. While historical evidence of his sojourn in India remains scarce, some scholars posit that his ideas might have intersected with the mathematical and philosophical traditions of ancient India. Pythagoras's legacy extends across multiple domains: mathematics, philosophy, and even music. His ideas laid the groundwork for the development of mathematical thought, and his influence reverberated through the corridors of philosophy, shaping the intellectual landscape for centuries. The Pythagorean theorem stands as a timeless cornerstone of geometry, resonating in classrooms worldwide. Pythagorean triplets continue to captivate mathematicians, and the exploration of number relationships owes much to Pythagorean insights. Pythagoreanism, with its emphasis on the harmony of the cosmos and the interconnectedness of mathematics and reality, left an enduring imprint on Western philosophical traditions. The Pythagorean approach to ethical and spiritual aspects of life finds echoes in contemporary discussions about the holistic nature of education and personal development. Beyond academic realms, Pythagoras's cultural impact is profound. His name has become synonymous with mathematical discovery and intellectual exploration. The Pythagorean theorem in particular has transcended its mathematical roots, finding a place in art, literature, and everyday discourse. Pythagoras, the mathematical maestro and mystic philosopher, emerges as a towering figure in the mosaic of human thought. His mathematical revelations continue to shape our comprehension of the physical world, while his philosophical insights resonate in discussions about the interconnectedness of knowledge and the pursuit of a harmonious life. From the ancient classrooms of Greece to the intellectual salons of the Renaissance and beyond, the legacy of Pythagoras stands as a testament to the enduring power of ideas that transcend the constraints of time and space.